Hey guys, what's up? Hey, this is a 2004 Ford Mustang 40th anniversary 3.85 speed. Buddy and I picked this thing up at a local tow auction. Obviously, you can see the damage here and here. Now, I had to replace the spindle assembly, which is right here, and this is why. If you can see it, the accident bent this bar this way and down. You can see the whammy in it. So what I did was went out to my local wrecking yard and I got a new one. Well, new to me. I think all in total right now $80 because I needed to get a inner tie rod, outer tie rod, and I got lucky. There was a Mustang out there that wasn't hitting the front. So we're doing a rough alignment right now. I already took it around the block. It drives a lot better. You're going to see me doing a lot of videos on this car. Because obviously it's getting new fenders, bumper cover, and a headlight. This was a low speed impact. And the person just left the car and couldn't get it out. So we got it. So I'll do videos along the way. And that's pretty much it.